Are you wondering what in the world is Christmas in July and why should I join in? Today we'll get a head start on some black and white Christmas crafts while I share the history of Christmas in July and a few ideas on how you can get into the Christmas spirit. For this first DIY, we're going to use some old boxes. I really appreciate well-constructed packaging, so I am always saving the boxes that I find that are really sturdy or have a cool shape to them. This Green Estate box lid was from some reusable makeup remover pads, and I actually used the base of this box to make this planter in a previous video. If you don't have any box lids like these, there are some good options at Dollar Tree. I love these little wooden drawers. You could use just part of the drawer. I've also found these smaller wooden cubes in the craft section at Dollar Tree. This comes in a natural wood color, but I had painted it for another project. The first thing we'll do is give these box lids a coat of flat white primer. I attached all of those together with some glue and then added a white ribbon so we can hang this on the wall. To decorate the ribbon, I used an eyeball off of the snowman and I placed that on a fabric snowflake that I also got from Dollar Tree. I think black and white looks so sharp with Christmas greenery, so I added a little sprig of greenery behind the snowflake. For the front of the box lids, I created this joy sign. Today's video is extra fun because it's a Christmas in July around the world hop. Some of my crafty friends are participating and all you have to do is click the link below to hop to the next crafter for more Christmas in July inspiration. If you're visiting me for the first time, welcome. My name is Maria and I create elegant crafts and home decor with lots of ideas on how you can make something beautiful for your own home. Please consider subscribing if you like a creative inspiration and leave me a comment below saying hello because I just love getting to know you guys and I love hearing any feedback that you have for me. So my printer did something weird here and added some stripes on the black ink, but I'm kind of digging the look. It ups the chic factor just a little bit and it looks like a black pinstripe suit, which I'm okay with. I want a torn edge just to create a little texture on this piece. First I'll try with this thin ruler. You can see the texture is really subtle. If you want more of a larger torn look, you can go with a taller ruler. So let's talk a little bit about how this tradition got started. Sources say that it started at Keystone Camp in North Carolina. The camp director, Fannie Holt, dreamed up the holiday in 1933. It was a huge production with gift exchanges, Christmas trees, and Santa Claus. The tradition at the camp has been passed down through generations, and it's inspired lots of other camps too. The last step for this one is to use some spray mount and place the letters on the box lids. My Dollar Tree has this new $3 and $5 section. Let me know in the comments if your Dollar Tree has this also. We'll be using this cute house that I found for our next project. I spray painted the outside with that same flat white primer, and then I painted the drawer front with black acrylic paint. So what can you do to celebrate Christmas in July? The day is usually recognized as July 25th, but I've also read July 12th. But really, you can make a fun day out of it on any day of the month. Ways to celebrate Christmas in July could be getting a jump start on your holiday shopping. If you have cold winters, doing your Christmas shopping in July may help you avoid snowy and wet conditions while shopping. Another way to get a head start for Christmas is to have your kids work on their wish list. You could have a fun-themed Christmas in July party at work or at home with family and friends. You could cook up some ham and decorate Christmas cookies as a fun activity. Hallmark Channel does Christmas in July, so you could finish the party with one of their movies. For the kids, you could build up excitement around the day and have Christmas jammies, and then the next morning, a tiny tree shows up with a present or two underneath. Christmas morning cocoa, Christmas music, and homemade crafts could all be fun activities for the day. And then any little ornaments that you guys end up making are all ready for December. I attached some greenery onto the bow. I decided to keep the pine cone off of there because I want to keep this color palette strictly black, white, and green. I have this sleigh ornament from Dollar Tree. I think it'll look so nice inside the house. So I redid the decor to match our black and white theme. I attached the bow to the top left of the house. I think this would be such a cute Christmas scene sitting out on a coffee table or entryway table. It could even work as part of a tablescape for the Christmas dining table. Now I'm getting all excited about decorating my whole house for Christmas. I have a lot of ideas this year, but I'm not going all out on that until November, so stay tuned. Here's another example of some great packaging. This was a Kleenex box made for small spaces. It is really solid and well made, so I felt bad throwing it away, and I'm going to turn it into a vase for some florals. I started with some of that same white spray paint and let that dry. I created this reindeer head, and it also printed out with those cool pinstripes, which I don't mind. Now you could trim this out and wrap the entire piece of paper around the container, but this is a simple enough design, so I'm going to be my own Cricut machine and cut this out myself. There was a movie called Christmas in July in 1940, and by the 1950s, retailers had caught on to the trend. It seems like Hobby Lobby and Michaels and other decor stores have slowly been creeping earlier and earlier in the year to have their Christmas displays out, and I've noticed some starting as early as July. Everyone seems to be catching on to this trend. I think this came out pretty good. I'm going outside to give this a light coat of Super 77 spray mount, and I will press the design right onto the tube. I thought the reindeer needed just a little dressing up, so I put this on her so she would match our other projects. These florals are from Dollar Tree. They have just the right amount of sparkle. They're a really crisp white color that'll go nice with our sharp looking Christmas decorations. Don't forget to subscribe for more home decor ideas every week, and check out the link below so you can get more Christmas in July ideas from my crafty friends. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a creative day. Bye!